Greetings everyone. First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty God for giving us courage and wisdom to organize this online capacity building program on basics of research and its techniques. It has been our pleasure to host all the valued resource persons and participants in this 1 week capacity building program. The participants were highly enthusiastic and responsive. I am thankful to all the participants to attend and to be part of this learning journey. We have been fortunate to have some of the eminent resource persons from academia, industry and research. I am sure that the participants must have benefited by attending this capacity building program. I am very much thankful to our visionary, trailblazer, our patron, Vice Chairman Sir, for always showing his support and guidance in organizing such events. And it would not have been possible to organize such program without his able leadership. I am also very much thankful to the Director Sir for his continuous direction and advices which have greatly helped towards the successful completion of this capacity building program. I am thankful to my steering organizing committee members for taking the initiatives for hosting this online program for massive amount of participants. I sincerely thank our valued resource persons for giving such elucidative sessions, imparting with us with their wisdom, knowledge and experience. I will always be thankful for all of them for gracing this program with their presence in this challenging, tough times. Let us elaborate more about all 12 sessions during this capacity building program. Our eminent speaker for the first session was Professor Prabhat Srivastava, who is Director Academics and Chief Controller of Examination at Sri Venkateshwara University, Uttar Pradesh. He took the first session on Introduction to Basics of Research Methodology, Research Approaches and Research Problem Selection. He discussed the concept and component of research in a very easy language, best possible. Our valued resource person for the second session was Dr. Dinesh D. Bakker sir. Currently he is Head Department of Commerce, SPDM College, Shirpur, and he delivered the session on review of literature and informed all the participants that literature review is a scholarly document that presents the current knowledge including substantive findings as well as theoretical and methodological contributions to a particular topic and is the essence of any research. It was a very illustrative and detailed topic. Third session was on research design taken by Professor H.K. Singh. He is a professor at Faculty of Commerce, Banaras Hindu University. He suggested all the participants to focus on applied research because researchers ought to figure out their own techniques and continuously consider the developments into their own topic. If you really want to make a difference in the old findings, then you are a good researcher. He emphasized to be optimistic. He always emphasized during the session that convert your shortcomings into the qualities and your threats into opportunities. In the fourth session, we had with us Dr. Sanjeev Mittal. He is currently associated with Guru Govind Singh Indraprasth University, New Delhi, and Sir has informed about the sampling design as it is a mathematical function that gives you the probability of any given sample being drawn. Since sampling is the foundation of nearly every research project, the study of sampling design is a crucial part of research. Sir explained this extremely cumbersome topic in a very explicit and complicated way through various examples of real-time research. Fifth and sixth topic was taken by Dr. Dhaval Mehta sir, and he is currently associated with Veer Narmar South Gujarat University student. He has covered the topic of scaling techniques, concept of reliability, validity, and item analysis in the simplest way possible by giving real-time example. He is an expert in his area and he has proved this. Our eminent speaker for the session on data collection methods and tools and questionnaires was Professor Dr. Shraddha M. Bhumi. Presently, she is associated with SPD College, Mumbai, and she has informed all the participants the appropriate way of data collection, various methods, tools applied for the same purpose, and correct ways of designing a questionnaire for your research paper or a thesis. She covered all the topics profoundly and with practical illustrations, which made the whole session very clear to each and every participant. In the next session, our eminent speaker was Dr. S.B. Muleji. Dr. Mule is currently associated with KC College, Mumbai, and he has taken the session on hypothesis testing and the use of T and Z test, as it is the most crucial part for the new researchers. Sir has informed me that hypothesis testing in statistics is a way to test the results of a survey and experiment, and also to find out meaningful results. All participants gain and learn a lot of new knowledge from this session. Our ninth session was based on non-parametric test, chi-square test, ANOVA, and we had with us Dr. Vidhi Tyagi from Amity University. She elaborated various tests used in the purpose of research in extremely lucid way. 10th session was addressed by one of the most crucial topic, addressed by Dr. Rohit Sharma ji, and he has explained the concept of correlation, regression, multivariate analysis, and their relationships with dependent and independent variables. The main goal of statistical data analysis is to find out the right analysis, right results, the consequences, and Dr. Rohit Sharma currently is specialized in operations and supply chain management and working with National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. 11th session was taken care by Dr. Shireen Jaffer, who is currently associated with Jamia Hamdard University, New Delhi, and she has given an in-depth knowledge of research writing. The main mantra she has given and shared with the participants, that we should always write a research paper or a thesis on a regular basis in our own words. 12th session was taken by Dr. Medha Joshi, and she is a consultant information management services and bioethics at National Cancer Grid Tata Memorial Center, Mumbai. And she has taken a very informative session on citation, impact factors, plagiarism, research ethics, etc. As emphasized by her, trustworthiness is the base of research and its presentations. Honestly, adding the findings to the huge reservoirs of knowledge. And she emphasized during her session that always cite others' work and avoid plagiarism, copyright violations, and intellectual dishonesty, because dishonesty is not acceptable in the research. We got enormous appreciation and felicitation from our participants during this capacity building programs. They have given wonderful comments. They have prepared their feedback videos where they appreciated all the resource persons so well. On our part, we have also made sincere efforts to enhance the quality of this program, and in this very direction we have taken some new initiatives, such as we have organized a Google Classroom for all the participants, in which participants have to complete their assignments regularly, which have been uploaded on the daily basis. We have also organized a valedictory session of virtual certificate distribution ceremony on the auspicious day of Teachers' Day for all the participants who participated in this 1-week capacity building program. Certificates were provided to the participants on the very same day who have completed all the assignments. We have shared various research-related books, PPTs shared by resource persons, recordings of all sessions to all the participants for their future reference. At this juncture, I would like to thank our proud alumni, Mr. Arpit Chakravarti, for helping us with the technical support during our capacity building program. He actually helped us in live streaming, organizing this capacity building program in this beautiful way. Last but not the least, I acknowledge the unwavering support received from head of the department, faculty members, and staff members of Department of Management Studies, GL Bajaj, Greater Noida. I once again thank everyone whose contribution has made this capacity building program a big success. Change is the end result of all true learnings. Be the change which you want to see in the world. Mahatma Gandhi said these words in true sense. Stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.